Hi, today in front of me Infinix Hot 20i and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first open the Gmail application and then tap on the right upper corner. Here we can see that we are logging into two accounts at the same time, and just to log out from one from these accounts we should log out in Gmail app. We should first log out from Google account on our device, and to do that we should click manage accounts on this device, select one from these two accounts and just tap to remove. After that, confirm your action by click to remove account again, and that's it. After that, just go back, and in Gmail application we can see that we also stay with one Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.